Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop or cut a person from an image using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to this plus icon, and here you can upload your images by tapping on the proceed menu here just below the search bar on the right side of the screen, and you can upload your images and they are going to appear here, and you just have to tap on the one that you would like to edit. And to crop a person, you just have to tap on the tools menu, which is on the left side of the screen here, as you can see, and the second option is going to be free crop. And when you tap on it, here you can either use the brush to like circle around the element that you would like to crop, and to crop out a person from that area you just have to tap on person, and as you can see the AI is going to crop that exact person from the screen very nicely and easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.